Hi guys, so for this video I'm using cotton in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 3.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 21. So now that I've chained 21, on the fourth chain from the hook I'll make 1 double crochet. In the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until we reach the last chain on this row. Now to reach the last chain on this row, right after the last chain I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. So we're not going to be working all around, but basically from this corner all the way to the middle, then from this middle all the way here, and then we'll turn. So now right here to this next double crochet, see, where we made a single double crochet, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until we reach the last double crochet in this row. And now we'll turn our work around, then I'll chain 3. Now I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until I reach this 1 chain loop in the middle. And this is row 2. Now through this 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same 1 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Now continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until I reach this last double crochet in this row. So this completes row 2. So for the pattern we repeat row 2. So see, we just turn around and again right here through this 1 chain loop we'll make 2 double crochets, chain 1, and through the same loop we'll make 2 double crochets, then again 1 double crochet through each chain until we reach the last double crochet, and then again we turn around and repeat the same thing. So basically just repeat row 2 for the pattern. So we repeat this until we have 8 rows in total. So you can count them here in the center. You can count these 1 chain loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for row 9, I'll turn my work around and then I'll chain 3. Now through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain 1 double crochet. Through the next chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain until I reach this 2 chain loop right here at the center. Now that we have reached the center of our work, right here through this 1 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet through that 1 chain loop. And now I'll chain 4, then right here through this loop, you see where this double crochet is? Right there through that loop, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 4, again through this double crochet chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 4, then through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 4, through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 4, through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll repeat this until I have 12 of these loops. So we need 12. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just continue until we have 12. So now that we have made 12 of these loops, right here on this end, on the left side, I'll count 7 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right there to that 7th double crochet, I'll make 1 double crochet. So right. Now through his next 6 chains, I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this thread. Then we'll go on and we'll make 1 more because we need to have 2 identical ones. See, just like this. It will look better on, believe me. So you see where we have these 7 double crochets on this one and on this one. So now we'll join these 2 sides together with a yarn needle. And now right here through this last double crochet chain, so right through that chain, I'll make the same chain as we did right here. So right there through the chain, insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 4, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 4, then through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 4, then through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 4, then through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet, chain 4, then through that same double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So we're just going to continue this until our chain reaches our desired length. Now there are 2 things you can do. You can either just make this chain around and attach it right here to this next side, the left one, or you can just make a long chain and then repeat the same thing for this side, and you can just tie them around your neck. So we just continue that, and then we'll make some here for the sides. So here I made 30 loops. So now I will just chain 1 and tighten it very well, and then I'll cut this yarn. Don't worry, it will not untangle. So see here, I did the same thing on both sides. So right here at the center. So on both sides we have 30 loops. And then here on the sides, I already finished one side. I'm going to do another one. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Then right here through this last double crochet, or first double crochet, depending on which side you're working. So right there through that first double crochet chain, which in this case is a 3 chain, I will insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 60. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now just tightening up this last chain just like that. I'll cut this yarn, then I'll just trim this excess yarn. So that's 1. Now I need to make 2 more. So I'll skip these next 2 double crochet chains, then I'll insert my hook through this 3rd double crochet chain, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 60, again. Now that we have chained 60, we'll cut this yarn and we'll tighten this chain just like that so it doesn't untangle. Then we'll trim this excess yarn. Now we only have 1 more to make. So I will make a slip knot, then I'll skip these next 2 double crochet chains, and through this 3rd double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now again I'll chain 60, Then now that you have chain 60, I will cut this yarn. I mean cotton, because I keep mixing it up. And then we just tighten this thread just like that. See, it just disappears. And you won't tangle, so we just trim this excess yarn. Now I'm just gonna weave the ends in and we'll be done. So I'm going to put it on the model now. It will look much better when you put it on, because right now it's like a lot of chains everywhere.